Hi, I'm Alison Board, an artist in the UK. I'm representing Schmincke artist colours from Germany, and I'd like to talk about the correct fixing for pastel paintings. To protect against harmful influences, works of art should be additionally treated. This particularly concerns pastel paintings, which need to be fixed. Watercolour paintings can also be fixed. I will show you how I fix properly and which products from the Schmincke range I use. In a pastel painting, the pigment layers are directly on the painting surface with almost no binder. They are not a firm bond with the support. Without fixing, the pigments can therefore gradually trickle from the surface or smear off. Pastel paintings should therefore be fixed with a spray fixative. I recommend special pastel fixatives or alternatively a universal fixative from Schmincke. All are high-quality spray fixatives based on alcohol with a particularly high fixing effect. They are non-yellowing, resistant to aging and quick drying. The Schmincke Pastel Fixative Aerospray contains 300 ml and is specially adjusted for fixing pastel colours and chalks. This also applies to the Pastel Fixative Aeropump in 350 ml. The Universal Fixative is available in 150 ml and 400 ml and is suitable not only for pastel but also for fixing watercolours and charcoal, for example. The fixatives are directly ready for use but must be shaken briefly. The painting should be vertical or slightly tilted for fixing, and since fixatives contain solvents, ensure good room ventilation. I spray the fixative from a distance of approximately 30 to 40 centimetres in a thin layer. It is important that I change the spraying direction beyond the edges of the painting, making the application even. I repeat the process if necessary. A tip: if a spray head should be blocked, simply clean it with acetone. You should also know the following. When fixing pastels, there is always a certain unavoidable colour deepening. Also, before fixing a painting, I recommend you try it out on a piece of paper first. If you have painted with Schmincke pastels and have properly fixed your painting with a high-quality fixative from Schmincke, you can be sure that you have done everything you can to protect your artwork for the future.